So if you can do all the ones up to this point, you should realistically be able to do this because you should know that if I raise something to the third power, it just means write it 3 times. And we've already done at least one that looked like this. You can only do 2 things at once. So I'm going to do the first 2, and it doesn't matter which 2 you do. In this case, they're all the same, so it doesn't matter at all. So 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times -6 is negative 12x. -6 times 2x is negative 12x. And -6 times -6 is positive 36. That's going to give me 4x squared minus 24x plus 36, combining those 2 terms right there that are like. I can't lose this last 2x minus 6. All right, so I can't lose that. Now, with the way I do things, it's better if the parenthesis with the least things is first. If you're doing the box, it doesn't matter. I'm going to flip these 2 things around, and you can easily do this because it doesn't matter what order you multiply in. The reason I'm doing this is it's just going to be easier for me to draw my lines to show what I'm distributing. It doesn't really honestly matter, but it's easier because if I do it like this, I have to draw 2 sets of 3 lines. And if I did it the other way, I have to draw 3 sets of 2 and they start crossing each other, but it doesn't really matter. And if you use the box, it doesn't matter at all. All right, 2x times 4x squared, 8x to the third. 2x times negative 24x, negative 48x squared. 2x times 36, 72x. Negative 6 times 4x squared. Whoops, use the right color. Blue. Negative 24x squared. Negative 6 times negative 24 is positive 144x. Negative 6 times 36 is negative 216. Right, negative 216. All right, so then my like terms are there. So I have 8x to the third. Negative 48 minus 24 more is 72. Negative 72x squared. 72 and 144 is 216. So 216x minus 216. All right. And again, those numbers get a little bigger, so definitely make sure you're careful when you're combining everything. Hopefully I didn't make a mistake there. I don't think that I did. All right. But these are all the same thing. Careful, careful, careful distribution.